Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your PIN for Messenger, so let's get right into it. Now, for some reason, it is not available to me on my device. It has not been available to me on any device that I had so far, so it's most likely a region locked thing, so I can't really access it. However, I will give you the instructions on how to get to it, and I'll stop where I can't go any further. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, to change your PIN, what you need to do is go into the menu in the top left and click on the settings icon, which is that gear icon to the right. Once you're here, you want to go all the way down until you get to preferences, and here you will see privacy and safety, and you want to click on that. Once you're here, you'll see under security, end-to-end encrypted chats. You want to select this, and from here you'll be going on to message storage. As you can see, it is not available to me. It was available to me in an encrypted chat that I had with a friend. However, for some reason I can't access that either anymore. But yeah, here you just go into message storage, and you'll see reset PIN under, I think it's security options or some along the lines of that. I'm pretty sure that's how that section is called. But you just want to go into message storage, and once you're there, you'll see the button that says reset PIN. All you want to do is just click on there, enter your new PIN, and after you're done with that, you'll have a new PIN, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.